Moodoo! I took too long! Way too long! Help him keep the beat! This is MD Guru. He drives the space bus.
Oh.
At least, I used to. Lord. Shh! He's sleeping.
What happened?
I couldn't say, but maybe I can sing it. A Moodoo is a creature just like you and me, with strange magic powers that you would not believe. Why, we can do as we please. We can walk on our knees. We can sing la and wave high.
What else can you do? Can you fly?
We can wear clothes that'll fly.
Oh, that's not magic. You have to do something amazing.
Well, I live and breathe. Isn't that amazing?
Can you lift buildings with your big toe?
I think we have a different concept of magic powers. Hey, Martina, do you want to help fix the space bus?
What are we doing?
We're not doing, we're undoing. Our Moodoo space bus crashed. Alas, he took an awful smack. And that is why he's all tensed up. His muscles did contract. So he shrank.
He shrank?
And he shrank.
He shrank?
And he shrank.
And he shrank and he shrank. Woo!
Yeah.
So, this is what Moodoos do? They give massage to spaceships?
Massage the transmission, knock out that dreadful cough, acupuncture the tires, and then we can take off. But first, we need a cure from the magic bula flower, a special herbal tea before the final hour. Yeah!
Yeah! Woo! But poor thing. MD, how can I help? What's my Moodoo power? I thought you knew everything.
Bart, that's it. It's tea time. We need to find the special bula flowers to heal the space bus. But only the Love Bunny knows where to find those flowers. I looked everywhere, except one place. It's getting dark. You better wait until...
Oh, I'm not afraid. I'll go.
Martina, but the pirates! I'll catch her! Bart! No!
And so Martina made her way into the deep, dark forest, unaware of the danger lurking just around the corner.
Oh. Uh-oh, I think I'm lost. Far from home, and I am all alone, here in my own outer space. Oh, it's a love bunny. Things are gonna be much better now. Ha! Oh, hey, you're messed